everyone, my name is Judas and welcome to ZHS Video. God, I love my job.
And I'm Rick. I like to party. This month is Halloween. Remember to check your child's candy bag for unwanted candy or spoiled candy.
That was not mine.
And now for some sports.
Now to sports.
All right, thanks, guys. Make sure you come out to Zealand West Gym for JV freshman and varsity volleyball game against Unity. And Thursday night is JV football at Holland Christian, and Friday night is varsity football home against Holland Christian. Make sure you wear your pink.
Yeah. And now to Jesus for weather. No relation.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm out here on the path today. We got low of 60s, it's slightly windy. The weather's great today. How do you think the weather is right now?
Beautiful.
He thinks it's nice too. Well, you heard it here first, guys. It's nice out. Thank you. Back to you, boys.
He's new. Thanks for watching ZHN News. I'm Rick. I like to party.
Remember to be nice. Crazy kids. Stay classy.